Hello, welcome to La Saints, Guadalupe, beautiful island on the south coast of Guadalupe. We spent the last couple nights here. Take a look at the harbor. There's a nice park here. It's a beautiful little town, and we're going to take our scooters for a little spin. Try to show you some sights. Can't even see Guadalupe because there's all rain clouds. It just looks like open ocean. That's the island right there. So there is where we first tried to moor, and they were full. And then we anchored here for the night, which is extremely rolly. And then the next morning, we got a mooring right over there somewhere. I don't think we can quite see it from where we are. So the dirty looking one is ours, and the clean looking one behind it. Oh, look at that view, eh?
Torments du Amor is a Caribbean pastry with a sweet crust, coconut, guava, or banana filling. It is a taste of paradise.
Alright, good morning everyone. We are leaving Guadalupe today and heading to Dominica. It won't be a long sail, hopefully uneventful, but we're bringing you along with us. See the sights and see how she goes. Okay, I need you to turn us.
Down?
Yep. To the right.
There.
I'm going. Watch it because that sail's going to move, all right? Wind keeps changing direction. We're just gonna have to wait till this passes.
So we're getting a squall. We're riding between islands. Ah! There's big swells right now. And I don't know if you can see. It's course, right on top of us.
So we just got into the shadow or the leeward side of the Dominica. Things completely calmed down. And just now we actually got a radio call, an emergency broadcast, first in French and then in English. I couldn't tell what they were saying, but it was actually about a group of humpback whales and to, I don't know, be caution around them, I guess. It's difficult to hear a thick accent, but I definitely heard a group of humpback whales. That's interesting. In between the islands, when we were first coming to the Saints, between the Saints and Guadalupe, we saw what I'm assuming was a humpback whale. We're looking at a sailboat, and behind it was a massive explosion of water. It was really neat. Like, I couldn't believe how big the splash was. I first thought they dropped some dynamite in the water, but then 5 minutes later, a splash in the same area, and that sailboat was long gone. So I'm pretty sure that's what we were looking at. So we're gonna keep an eye out here. If we start seeing something, we'll definitely be grabbing the camera and showing you. Alright, we are anchored and we're going to try our best to get to customs before the 4 o'clock deadline. After 4 o'clock, they raised the price by multiple times for some reason. They call it overtime. So we are going to hustle, try to get there. If we don't feel like we're going to make it, then we'll chill out tonight and do it in the morning. That's where we stand. So check-in was a breeze, and we heard there's a barbecue on the beach. Trying to find some information about that.
We're just walking, see the town a little bit, and if something eventful happens, we're gonna let you know. Hello everyone, walking in Dominica. We just found this amazing place. It's an abandoned resort. It's beautiful out here. Somebody's abandoned. It looks like it has a bunch of rooms. There's a pool there, a lot of goats around the property. Oh my god, what a view. Too bad it's abandoned. Looks like it has been recently abandoned because a lot of the rooms are looking brand new. Hello everyone. So we're in Dominica right now, and we've heard and seen in videos and in articles that there is a lot of nature trails and a lot of waterfalls and boiling holes and hot springs. So I'm kind of excited. It is a very geoactive island, so I'm so excited to go and explore. We rented a car and we're just gonna go and explore the island. Oh, by the way, it rains so much in here. Like, the deck is clean from our last sail, so right now it is immaculate.
Notice the boat right there made out of bamboo being rowed. I think he's putting out fish traps or lobster traps on a bamboo raft. And those are pretty big swells coming in.
Dominica's lush greenery sets the backdrop for an unforgettable road trip. As you navigate winding roads, you'll encounter the island's pristine beauty at every turn. And the real treats are the amazing waterfalls that offers a truly magical experience. Let's see how many we can visit today. So I saw this video this morning on social media about this plant being a tattoo fern, so I'm going to see if it works out. So apparently you're supposed to put it like that, and then do this, and then I guess
tattoo, the little lines.
I guess this is not the one, so next time we'll keep track.
We have arrived at Emerald's pool. We think it's a hot spring or a hot pool. It's not a hot pool? What is it? It's cold water then?
Yeah.
Oh man, I thought we went to a hot spring.
The hot spring is over there.
Oh.
Where the traffic water or whatever.
Okay, we got our swimsuits on for water that we probably won't go in because we don't like to be cold. That's why we're
The hot
not in
spring was on
Canada.
the other side, but it was a little bit farther. But because this was closer to the road we were at, we just did a detour.
So
we
we're going
can
to
go back there.
So we're going to a pond.
No, it's an emerald pool. It's supposed to be blue.
Okay, so for one, emeralds are green. So I guess it's a green pond we're going to. Let's find out.
Walking the trails to Emerald Waterfalls is a breathtaking experience. The surroundings and the stunning emerald waters create an enchanting scene that's simply beautiful. Trafalgar Falls is nature's masterpiece. The twin falls cascade gracefully, surrounded by greenery, creates a serene sight that captures the sense of this stunning island paradise. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode as much as we enjoyed making it happen for you. See you next week, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. It really means a lot to us.